Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hello and hi, my name is Arnaz. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to shape and fill your eyebrows in just 3 simple steps. So without further delay, let's start the video. Number 1. I'll take my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 4 and with the spoolie side, I'll brush the eyebrow upwards to separate the brow hairs. Next, I'll take the pencil side and start by shaping it below the brow. As you can see, I am just using this short strokes to draw the eyebrow shape and following my natural brow shape. This will give a soft base to work with. Do not drag the pencil while drawing the brows. Then, with short strokes, I'll start by filling the eyebrows, keeping it light-handed and feathered strokes as we move towards the tail of the brow. Try not to put too much pressure while filling in the brows. Again, with the spoolie, I'll brush the brow hair. This will help soften the pencil's shade. Next, I'll turn the pencil side and with the pointy edge, I'll draw tiny hair-like strokes with short flicking motion to fill in the sparse area of my brows. I'll brush it again just to bring together all the brow hairs. I'll grab the brow hairs from the above to give a neat look. Number 2. I'll take the Essence Cosmetics Brow and Lash Gel and just run it along the brow. This will seal and set the brow hairs in place. Number 3 and final step, I'll take some concealer with a flat brush and carve out the brow shape. It will give a defined and sharp look to the brow. I'll start by carving it from the bottom side of the brow and then above the brow and also towards the tail of the brow. I'll then blend it to the skin. I'll go over the brows one more time to make sure there is no empty patches. And here is the final results. In just few simple steps that will take you no longer than 2 minutes, you retain your natural brow shape and structure, but also making it look clean and neat all the time. All the products used are mentioned in the description box below. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up and ring the notification bell, and I'll see you all next time.